And present lesson number 6, question and answers. Number 1, tick a correct answer. Number 1, people were expected to do this before the Sijda. Then this person advised Sultan on religious issues, Kasi. The two religious trends that became popular in this period were Bhakti and Sufi. This was the first mosque to be raised in India by a ruling dynasty, Quwat-ul-Islam Mosque. The rulers of Malwa built this in Mandu Jama Masjid. This was the language of administration in the Sultanate period, Persian. He was a famous poet and musician of the Sultanate period, Amir Khusro. This ruler of Gwalior wrote Man Kautbal, a book on music, Raja Man Singh Tamur. Right, true or false? The Iqtidars were very powerful. True. India imported handicrafts and spices from China. False. Diwani Wizarat looked after the financial matters of the Sultanates. True. The Khaljis constructed the Qutub Minar. False. Musical instruments such as rabab and sarangi were used during the Sultanate period. True. Right, one word answers. What was the paymaster of the army called? Bakshi. Which language was born out of the fusion of Persian and Hindi? Urdu. In India, in which state will you found the Sidi Syed Mosque? Gujarat. Which form of music did Amir Khusro popularize? Qawwali. He who wrote Hara Vilasa? Srinada. Give reasons for the following. The buildings of the slave and the Khalji rulers are more ornate than those built by the Tughlaq Sayyid and the Lodis. The slave and Khalji Sultanate had more money to spend on architecture, therefore their buildings have more decorative carvings on them than those built by the Tughlaq Sayyids and Lodis. Urdu was called the camp language. Urdu means camp. It was called the camp language because it evolved and developed in the camps of soldiers. Urdu developed as a language which was spoken and understood by all. That's enough. Urdu means camp. It was called the camp language because it evolved and developed in camps of soldiers. Even what were the 4 social groups during the Sultanate period? Write short notes on any true. Aristocracy, priests, town people, peasants. Peasants and the peasants lived in villages. They had to pay many taxes. Most peasants were very poor and struggled to make their ends meet. A change of ruler or dynasties had little effect on their lifestyle. Name the 4 pillars of the Sultanate administration. Discuss the court of the Sultan. Diwani Wizarat, Diwani Risalat, Diwani Ars, Diwani Insha. Diwani Wizarat concerned with finance, Diwani Risalat concerned with religious matters, Diwani Ars concerned with military matters, Diwani Insha concerned with royal correspondence. The Qazi was the chief judge and Sultan's advisor on religious issues. Number 3. What do you understand by Indo-Islamic style of architecture? What were its main features. Cultural developments. Architecture. The Turks and the Afghans introduced the new style and techniques of architecture when fused with the existing Indian style. They gave birth to the Indo-Islamic style of architecture. Features. The two main features used in the buildings of this period were arc and the dome. There was no longer a need to construct pillars to support the roof. Some buildings also used in the minaret. The regional kingdoms contributed to architecture. Explain this statement with reference to Gujarat and Bengal. Monuments. The regional kingdoms. The Indo-Islamic style of architecture influenced the regional kingdoms as well. Ahmad Shah of Gujarat founded Ahmedabad and decorated with grand structures. The most famous among them is the Jami Masjid and the Sidi Sayyid Mosque, the latter being famous for its beautiful carved jali screens. The Adina Masjid in Panduva and the Dakil Darwara in Gaur are the most impressive monuments of the Ilyas Shahi and the Huzan Shahi rulers of Bengal. Then the fifth question. Discuss the developments in the field of music. With the coming of the Turks, music proposed there was a fusion of Persian, Arabic and Indian musical forms resulting in the creation of new style of music. The Sultanate period, the Turks introduced the new musical instruments such as the rabab and the sarangi. Write a short note on the development of literature and painting during the Sultanate period. Literature. The literature of the period consisted of translations as well as original works. Many Sanskrit works were translated into regional languages as well as into Persian and Arabic. Painting. From the Sultanate period onwards, paintings depended entirely on royal patronage. The art of painting miniatures began to develop during this period. Kings and nobles employed artists to decorate and illustrate books.